That's it. Yeah, take 2 shots.
That video place.
Yeah, see, alright. Wait, there's some chicken in there. What? I'm music to the ears, isn't it? So that's it.
I'll put them up.
So mic it.
Make camera.
You would know that.
Big. Face not change, man.
This one I'm not going on, man.
Well, not really, not really.
Original, this one now. This one is original, man. Yo.
Who this is, man?
Oh, yeah! Oh, goodness. Yeah, man, remember now. Barry. Yeah, man.
Tell her the auntie,
Eh?
What they say, man.
No, I don't really stay here at the time, you know, like this way now, I work on the road, don't run taxi for and dance and do stuff. You understand? So when me tired, me just stay me here, you understand?
You know that?
I'm in that trouble, man.
Yeah, I'm going.
I'm in that trouble.
Alright, so don't give me.
I'm in that trouble. When I don't get a machine, I'm in that trouble. Yeah, man.
You go cook.
No, sir.
What do you mean?
Man, you hungry.
You do what? You got bush. Alright, so you know, give me something out of where you get, you know. Man with the machine. Yeah. No, sir. Something left for yard, man.
Good luck to all fathers, especially Antus, Miss Long, and Dimple, and Miss Brown, Steph, and all the family, Cunningham family. Good luck to all of them. Yes. This is from Caswell.
Yes,
Williams from Cairn Curran.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You look people there for it. Alright, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, already.
I'll come down there and can't find you. I didn't know I had them until they make you.
Service with a smile. All major health cards accepted at our 3 convenient locations. Shop number 3, Browns Plaza, Oterias, CNG, Small Oterias, the new Pinebrook Pharmacy family.
You don't come that way.
Yeah, Rufy.
Alright then.
This one not come this way.
Yes, Daddy, you want to take him.
Yeah, but me should me find one up here.
Going back to country living, where the air is fresh and clean. Going back to a natural living.
Welcome to Cairn Curran All Age School.
It's not all age anymore, mate.
Oh, God.
I say goodbye to Kingston City. City life is not for me. Going where the star shines brightly, and the sound of
Today is Jamaica's Labour Day, and all the children from the community congregate in the school for a fun day out.
Lots of work, innit? Lots of work. Where was you yesterday when we wanted you to come help you out?
I was doing my work, picking the weed.
The weed?
Yeah.
Good sense of me. Let me see what you have my hand there. That's a good lamb's bread. That's Dennis case, otherwise known as Parky. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, the weed man of Cairn Curran.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, sir.
Yeah.
Later that evening, as part of the Jamaica Labor Day activities, the children of the community perform at the school concert.